Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing a portable electric water cup. I've never actually seen one of these before, so it's kind of a neat idea. Let's see what we got in the box here. So this one features four temperatures: 120, 160, 195, and 212. So that's the boiling temperature, but you can use it to heat up. It says milk, tea, coffee, or boil. This is made out of stainless steel. Let's see, 450 milliliters is the capacity, 300 watt, stainless steel, 1 1/4, or 1.14 pounds. This is a red one here. Has auto shut off. Okay, let's see what's in the box. First off, we have the instructions. We'll try to make sure we read that. And in here we have the actual little cup here. Okay, well that looks pretty nice. Looks like it's just like a nice little, like a travel like coffee mug there. I was going to say, where's the cord at? Okay, so the cord is in here. There's that. So it does take a cord. At first I thought it might be battery operated, but that's not the case. This bag is giving me some trouble though. Good night. I never thought I'd be thwarted by a little plastic bag, but apparently that's the case. Okay, so there's that. Anything else in there? Not in the box. So I think that's it. All right, well. So it has max level here. I wonder if this cord does not come out. Okay, wash by hand. Do not microwave. This is stainless steel. Okay, so on the side here, covered by some silicone, is the little plug-in here. So that's that. The lid has some, let's see, it's got some vents here in the top. So for really hot liquids, that way, when the moisture and everything is expanding in there, it doesn't blow up when you open it up, but you still got to be careful. It might emit some steam here when you open it up, but it does have those little holes for the steam to get out. Okay, and let's see how long this cord is. I always like to show how long the cords are on things, and that way just kind of give you an idea of how close you need to be to an outlet or something like that. So it appears to be probably 2.5 feet long there. So I'm feeling like I could drink some tea. So I'm going to go heat up some water. See how well this works. I'm going to wash it out real quick first. Probably just give it a little rinse out. And then I'm going to go heat up some water in this. So let's go do that, my friends. Well, as we can see, this is a fairly handy little device. It is completely drip proof there. And for office or home, it's just a quick, easy way to heat up not a whole bunch of water. So instead of having to get a pan or a kettle or anything like that and throw that on the stove, this does it pretty efficiently. I mean, if you're just at your little office space and you just had some no access to hot water, but you didn't want to throw it in the microwave, if there was even a microwave there, you just have this there. And say you like drinking tea, just get some water and you get your honey and everything like that, and just throw that in your glass and then get some nice piping hot tea. So pretty handy little gadget here, my friends, and it has a little hidden handle right up there as well, so you could put that on your backpack or something like that if you're camping and you had a generator or something. But anyways, yeah, pretty cool little device here. There's a lot of gadgets on Amazon, guys, and some are pretty neat. So also this has a nice little hole here for drinking, and you know it's not going to come spilling out of here because we already tested that. So some bottles you get and you try to drink and it just like it's dripping on you while you're trying to drink, and like what's going on? So this one doesn't have that issue. So seems to be well built, the stainless steel. It's not going to get all nasty and break down on you, so that's cool. Yeah, well, thanks for watching this review, guys. Have a great day.